another video. Today's video is going to be an Amazon kurti haul. I picked up quite a few kurtis from Amazon back in June, so I decided to put them in a video and show it to you guys. All of these kurtis are so good quality and are so budget friendly. Also, if you're someone who's seeing this space for the very first time, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please hit on the red subscribe button down there. Also hit on the grey notification bell right next to it so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram. This is my handle right here. This is how my Instagram looks like. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so before starting this video, I would like to tell you guys a few pointers about all the kurtis so that it does not sound repetitive, if you know what I mean. So first thing, all of the kurtis that I picked up are from this brand called as Vamsi. I would put the name of the brand somewhere right here so that you can go ahead and check the brand on Amazon. Secondly, all the kurtis that I picked up were in the size large and they ran a little loose to me, so I went ahead and got them altered to make sure that they fit me right. Thirdly, all the kurtis are under 250 rupees. All kurtis are for 245, like each kurti is for rupees 245, which I please right here. Okay, fourthly, all the kurtis are nice, really pretty cotton fabric printed kurtis. They are not heavy embroidered or sippy work kurtis. They are nice printed flowy everyday wear kurtis. These kurtis are really good and perfect for work, college. So that's all the pointers that I wanted to give you, and now let's get started. First kurti is this one right here. This is a very pretty peach kurti, like peachish pinkish kurti. I do not have anything like this in my collection, so when I saw this kurti I really liked the color, and the blue gives a very nice pretty contrast to the kurti. It has really pretty blue and pink flower print going on. It also has a very nice pretty border, like a light blue border onto the base. The kurti has 3/4 sleeves, has a decent round neckline, which I absolutely love. The kurti is knee length and I love pairing it with a really nice light blue leggings, and this forms a very pretty everyday college going, work going outfit, and this is how it looks. Let's move on to the next kurti. The second kurti is this really pretty blue kurti right here. This kurti is like a really nice denim navy blue sort of a color. It does not has too crowded prints, यानी कि बहुत ज़्यादा crowdy prints इसमें नहीं है, और मुझे ऐसी ही कुर्तियाँ पसंद है. I do not like kurtis जिनके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा print हो, so that's something that's there. Secondly, the print is like linear, like बहुत सारे lines हैं. There is a mix of a little bit of tribal elements also, which I absolutely love. The kurti again has a round neckline and has 3/4 sleeves. Also, it has this really pretty border on the sleeves, which adds a really nice element to the kurti. Again, the kurti is knee length, making it a really nice perfect length. Also, I love to pair this kurti with the white leggings. The contrast of white and blue stands out and looks really pretty on me, and I think this combination would look amazing on everybody. On to the third kurti. Now this third kurti is one of my favorites because it has a lot of different colors. It has a bit of olive yellow, it has a bit of white, it has a lot of black, it has a lot of prints like beach make. There's this white color ka panel, then we have few prints going on the sides of the kurti, which I really like. Peaches, it's like completely black, and again it has 3/4 sleeves. It has a very thin border on the end of the sleeves, which is also, I was hunting for this perfect olive yellow greenish leggings, but I did not find it, so I like wearing this with black leggings, and I feel it looks really nice with black also, forms a really outfit overall. Let's move on to the third kurti. It's one of my favorite colors. It's black, and this kurti has crowded print, but it is balanced by simplicity at the end. Again, tribal print है, and बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है ये कुर्ती. It has very detailed printing in the center, और sides में ना, sides के panels they are empty. Again, 3/4 sleeves. They do not have any print or anything going on the sleeves. Like, it's a very nice simple kurti. Round neckline, looks great with white leggings, and yeah, this is how it looks like on me. I think there's not a lot to talk about this particular one. The simplicity of this kurti speaks for it. lastly, this is the last kurti because I picked only 5 kurtis as I wanted to first try them out. The next kurti is like my favorite kurti. It's this really pretty white kurti. White happens to be my favorite color. I also love this kurti for the fact that इसके अंदर जो print है, it's a mix of yellow ochre, green sort of a color, and बीच में there is blue, and ये blue ना normal blue नहीं है, it's a very different blue. It's a blue mixed out of green and blue. I hope I'm making sense. Also, I really like the print of this kurti. There are these really pretty kite shaped structures all through till the end, as you guys could see. And the thing that I love the most about these kurtis, these really pretty swans at the side panel. You could see there are some swans right here. यहाँ पे भी swan है, and I just love what effect these swans give. Like एक extra element दे देते हैं ये कुर्ती को. Again, standard 3/4 sleeves, a very nice pretty thick border on the sleeve, and I mean this is my favorite. If you ask me to pick any one out of the entire lot, then this has to be. And yeah, पीछे से it's like complete white, and I really like this kurti. Also, I would like to add on that all kurtis that I picked up were in pure cotton material, so they are really breathable. Like the fabric is really breathable, and they are a perfect kurti to wear during summers. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini kurti haul and found it helpful. I would leave links to these kurtis in the description box below, so make sure you go ahead and check them out. And yeah, do let me know what other video ideas you would like to watch in the comment section below, and I would love it for this video. This was like my mini kurti haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram if you want to, and yeah, I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care, stay home, lots of love, bye.